What's up, everybody? This is my 2013 Triumph Street Triple. Pretty much stock. Someone asked me to do a review on my exhaust, which is the SC Project Konic, however you want to pronounce it. And he wanted me to say some pros and cons. So a pro would be, it sounds great, really loud, nice tone to it, and decently priced. A con, I guess, if one of those persons that doesn't really like loud exhausts, on the highway after a long ride, it will make your ears ring. But if you wear earplugs while you ride, then it shouldn't be a problem. Another big con, for me at least, it might not be for everybody, but when I received my exhaust, if you can see right there, the mount didn't line up properly. I contacted SC Project about it. They said I would have to send it in, which took about 2 weeks to get here, and to send it in and wait for another one to come in would just have been a hassle for me, so I just said, F it, I'll live with it. But other than that, the thing works fine. Let me turn it off so you guys can hear it. I'm in the garage, so it might be a little louder than what it usually is. Well, I also added the little rim tape here, right there, which was a big bitch to get on, because you have to make sure all those little individual ones were in line. But it came out great. Alright, hope you enjoyed.